2, 1. What's up, Weisz guys? It's your boy Lewis back with another video. The other day I happened upon a video essay about Codename Kids Next Door, which is a show that I watched as a kid and I thought was fantastic. They had all of these different gadgets, and so I decided that I wanted to make one. The one that I settled on is called BAJOOKA. Basically, it's a mailbox thing that shoots juice cartons out the end. It's supposed to fight the common cold because OJ has a lot of vitamin C in it. I looked around YouTube and I noticed that actually no one's made one of these, so better hop on it before someone else does. Let's get rolling. Now, in the show, it launches fully filled orange juice carton. For mine, my goal is gonna be to shoot empty cartons. I'm gonna let this glue set up for a little while, and then we'll pop back and see what's going on. Now the next day, I mean, that's a tube. I should stick the OJ in the top and have it pop out the bottom. That's fantastic. I mean, that looks pretty good. Now, this won't fit inside, or at least it shouldn't. Oh, awesome. Yeah, look at that. That works pretty well, actually. All right, well, I'm gonna finish tacking on the rest of the sides just for good measure, but this is pretty promising, I gotta say. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous and I love it. It'll basically be have a grip back here, have a grip out here to hold it. And then if you gotta reload, just pop the front open, load up your next one, flip it back up, and you're ready to shoot again. And there we go, we got two grips for the front, and we got the one for the backs. You know, I gotta say, this is shaping up quite nicely. All it needs right now is a little barrier inside for the cartons to rest up against. And since it's easy to do and resilient, I think I'm gonna use aluminum for that too. So the plan now is actually to cannibalize this other project I did. If you missed this one, this is the card launcher. You can check that out in the iCard. I'm gonna take most of the mechanism from this one that I used and transfer it over to here. But I'm gonna add one extra switch just for redundancy so that I don't end up frying myself. So we got the safety switch on the back, push button to actually launch the rockets out of it. And then in the front, for loading, front pops down, grab your orange juice carton, clip on your clip, close it all back up, turn off the safety, arm the circuit, and aim, and push your button to fire. And then out the end it should go, at least in theory. I think that's pretty good. So now it's time to make our projectiles. This is now fully dry. So now all there is really left to do is toss a rocket in this guy and fire it and see what happens. All right, cool. All right, so we're at Knock Knolls Park. This is a park by my house. I would be thrilled if this thing manages to shoot 50 feet. I think that the shape of this makes it kind of not aerodynamic. Also, the like pipe isn't perfectly lined up with the top of it. So loads like the show, you just open it up. All right. So we're gonna turn it on, and then if I push this button, wait, there's gonna be a charge. So that did about what I was gonna expect. Holy crap, it snapped the balsa wood. Look, so I had balsa wood in there as like, to like help it out. This was probably for first flight. Maybe I can shape it a little better. So I made a couple adjustments. This one, I eliminated all of the gaps and I took off the cap to try to make this a little bit more aerodynamic. And then I actually took a different kind of OJ bottle. This isn't the kind they have in the show, but I figured that if I made a nose cone out of balsa wood and tried to shape this a little better, this might actually have a fighting chance of flying pretty well, but no way to know for sure. I guess we just gotta see how it goes. All right, dope. So we're here in Ohio now. I've come all the way here from Illinois because I'm back at school, but now I have the other two rockets, and this one is a little bit different. This one, I've got this balsa wood nose cone that I made.
Looks like a butt plug.
No. Should be good to go. 3, 2, 1. It actually worked better the other day. Hey, the bottom didn't pop off this time. That's a minor improvement. All right, since we're pretty sure it's not gonna hit you, you wanna go stand out in the middle of the field? I'm not gonna shoot it right at you, don't worry. 3, 2, 1. No, it's awesome. You got it. Holy sh**. Did you see how far that launched that out of there? Look, the engine is way over there. That was resoundingly more successful, I think. Now, the real moral of the story is that all of these need fins to like shoot good, but 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, move away. All right, you're good. You okay? It's okay, you can try moving farther away. That would probably be a decent idea. Here, I'm gonna come down and get that one. What if you just stand a little further that way? Like, you can stand over there. 3, 2, 1. Nice! All right, we got one more. In 3, 2, 1. And it's so cold out that when that one launched, instead of doing the normal thing, it dead ass broke the solder, and the wire that launches it just straight up came out of the thing. That's really funny. Well, so that's definitely the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this one, make sure you slap the like button down below. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments other stuff you'd like to see. If you want to support projects like this, you can help me out. My Patreon will be linked somewhere on the screen. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Here, we'll just get a couple bonus shots. Me just looking